Yeah. Sometimes love doesn't end. It just becomes distance. Distance is killing me slow. Girl, I miss you more than you know. Every night I'm losing control. Wish you were home. Distance tearing us apart. Still you live in my heart. Even when we're worlds away, I love you every day. I love you every day. I check my phone every night, hoping you'll reply, but silence is all I get. And I can't forget the way you used to call my name. Now nothing feels the same. Every street reminds me of you. I don't know what to do. I smile but I'm breaking inside, trying to stay alive. Without your touch, without your voice, I have no choice. If love is still real between us, don't let it fade to dust. I'm holding on through the pain, calling your name. Distance is killing me slow. Girl, I miss you more than you know. Every night I'm losing control. Wish you were home. Distance tearing us apart. Still you live in my heart. Even when we're worlds away, I love you every day. I love you every day. Maybe time will heal this wound, but I'm still in the room where we used to laugh and talk. Now I just walk. I replay every memory like it's all I see. Girl, I never let you go.